As we celebrate this year of the 51st founding anniversary of the Bicol University with the theme Borogkos, Boronyog sa Pagandurog sa Panahon ng Pandemya, #BUCares, the Bicol University College of Business, Economics and Management, headed by Dr. Eddie S.C., the Dean, takes pride to present a documentary of some of our graduates who went through the challenges and difficulties on their business operation and entrepreneurial endeavors during this time of uncertainties brought by COVID-19. This audio-visual presentation, dubbed as Mentorship on Adjusting Business Models, Business Continuity, aims to showcase how these alumni were able to withstand, adjust, and turn the hardships into an opportunity, thereby sustaining their operations and to be in business as usual. As they shared their tales of struggles and challenges under the new normal condition, may their stories inspire others in the field of business and entrepreneurship to just continue, be optimistic, and look for the bright side of the situation. As we begin with the presentation, the story would not be completed without the institution and the academic community that prepared, inspired, and honed these alumni into the mainstream with a basic foundation in life, education, and the four pillars of the university: the leadership, character, service, and scholarship.
Hello, Bicol University family. It is with much pleasure and pride that I express my deep gratitude to the College of Business, Economics and Management for documenting the achievements of our entrepreneurs, and they have managed to cope with the changes of this COVID-19 pandemic. You are indeed exemplars of the Bicol University pillars as you continue to serve with passion and innovation. I am in full support of your endeavors and urge those with entrepreneurial minds to come together as we share and serve our community, especially in these pandemic times. Congratulations and more innovative works to come.
It was Dr. Edward N. Divinaflor, the owner of Von Vito in Ligao City and Mr. Peace Kitchen in Legazpi City, and a member of the BS Entre Program Batch 2010, we started sharing the story that before the declaration of the pandemic, business is good. He has a lot of customers on his food business. When lockdowns were declared, Mr. Divinaflor was forced to bring his business back into their house. But then, he was able to see an opportunity out of the problem, and thereafter, a new business was established. Today, he has a lot of food orders, citing also the need for a strategic plan for a business to continue. Miss Melanie Ang, on the other hand, a member of Batch 2014 of the BS Entre Program, shares with joy her story of a daily sales, bookings and deliveries of the goods like biscuits, candies and curls before the pandemic. It was during the declaration of pandemic that problems started to appear, especially when their employees manifested the intention to go home because of fear. Thus, it resulted to a temporary closure of the business operation. Anticipating of a possible loss of income, damage to the products, and the expiration on the consumption of the goods, restricted business transaction, including the non-recovery of capital investments, Ms. Ang decided to implement options to continue the business operations. Despite of the difficulties Ms. Ang encountered, still she was able to share some of her products to her neighbors. Not to lose hope is also the advice of Miss Ang. Have a different sources of income as much as possible so that we can always be ready in times of difficulties. Lisel Magdasok, the owner of Tutti Shop, also a graduate of BS Entrep program in 2015, considered the pandemic time as very fruitful and sets no limitation as to the numbers of customers they have. When restrictions and strict adherence to the health protocols were imposed during the lockdown, Ms. Magdasok was among of the so many entrepreneurs whose business was severely affected in terms of sales and profit. But the situation did not serve as a hindrance for Ms. Magdasok to stop from being an entrepreneur. Instead, she turned her predicament into an opportunity by creating another business, this time the shoe production. Ms. Magdasok is hoping that her product will be patronized by her customers in the years to come. Jenny Maduro, another graduate of BUCBEM who finished the course BS Entrep in 2018, mentioned that before the pandemic, it was the customers who usually go into their place of business to buy vegetable products. the cost of transportation suddenly increased during the implementation of lockdown, causing limited movement on the part of her customers, thus prompted Ms. Maduro to adopt the delivery system. But the lockdown also unlocks opportunity for her business. Through a loan she acquired from a cooperative which provide financial support to the alumni of BU, especially entrep and business graduates, Ms. Maduro was able to address her financial requirements in buying a truck that could help her in transporting vegetable products from its sources. Today, the numbers of customers she has are increasing, thus enjoying a much bigger return on sales and income. The 7 Diamonds Travel and Tour, in which Miss Leslie Guyena Billen, also a graduate of the BS Entrep program in 2018 and served as a sales and marketing manager cum-owner, describes the pandemic times as a rewarding period for the 8-year-old business. The services they are offering to clients include domestic and international flight bookings, visa assistance, hotel reservations, and van rental. She keeps on traveling then as part of her job and enjoys at the same time. The pandemic compelled her to shift to another business endeavor to be able to survive, and this time entering into the agribusiness venture. With the ongoing construction of the site of the new business, Ms. Brilliant's advice for us was not to lose hope. Let's find solutions and ways to solve the problem that we are facing, Ms. Brilliant added. With those stories indeed, we could say that there is truth in what Alexander Graham Bell is saying, that when one door closes, another opens. And that is opportunity translated in the language of an entrepreneur businessman. Creativity, innovativeness, adaptability, resiliency, creating new business models are some of the words that best describes their deeds and actions under an unusual situation, thus making their stories of ups and downs worth listening and qualifies them to be our business mentors. Happy founding anniversary, BUCBEM and Bicol University.